Okay guys, before I start this video, I just want to say Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you have a very, very lucky day today. I hope you guys will have some good luck today, and I hope you do. And with that being said, let's get on to today's video. So far away. Nice. What? It's St. Patrick's Day! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yes. I think they have a special announcement on the TV today. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what's on. Okay, what in the world? Animal Jam the top 100? Whoever thought of a name like that? Like, really? Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Welcome to the Animal Jam Top 100. I am your host, Polar, and I'll be your host for tonight. On tonight's show, we'll be counting down the top 100 moments in this week and the year. So, who is ready to start counting down? Not me. This is going to be a boring show after all. Excuse me? Who said that? Was it you, Mr. Coyote? That's it. Off the show now. Okay, guys, just ignore that Coyote. He's no help to us after all. Okay, so, first up on our countdown at number 100, we have If Animals Had Their Own Theme Song Part 2. The creator of this video is Nyan Dear AJ, the one who made Part 1, and she made a Part 2. Okay, so let's watch it, shall we?
It's you, babe, and I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're to blame. Just by hitting you, I know.
Can you turn around? Can you turn around? Just wait. Can we work this out? Can we work this out? Just wait. Can you come here, please? Cause I wanna be with you.
Back. Soldier Boy, tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right.
Okay, well done. Now next on the show we have
PPAP. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen. I have a pen. I have pineapple. Pineapple pen. Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pen pineapple apple pen. Pen pineapple apple pen.
Well, I don't even know what that was about, but anyways, that was a good job. Whoever sent that video must have gotten 1,000 likes. Okay, so on to the next video, which went viral right away. So, let's move on to number 97.
Buddy me.
Yo, what's up, Animal Jam?
Hello.
Oh, you're gonna get copyrighted for this music.
No, cut it out.
You're gonna cut me out of the video?
Yeah.
I
No,
don't think so.
hey! Also, if you're wondering what just happened, my indoor cat got outside and he made a run for it. So.
Boy is the rabbit. Boys, the boys can time travel. Boys. Oh! And then we can make Scooty boys. Boys. Oh. That's good stuff.
That was so funny. Thank you so much, Sino AJ, for those videos. Okay, so next we have a few more funny videos. So yeah, here you go.
Top of the morning to you, jammers. Eric from EJHQ here again, back in the world of Jamal, which is
Top of the morning to you, jammers. Eric from EJHQ here again, back in the world of Jamal, which is
Also, to represent our Lucky Day love, we're wearing yellow and green clothing items like the hat and curly wig, striped bow tie, and leprechaun shoes. Our first stop, leprechaun shoes. Leprechaun shoes. Our first brown belush for Lucky Day, but the vines that used to cover the building in the north have been removed, revealing the
places, worn out faces.
You guys, but me, I can't wait for the coyotes to come to Animal Jam. They look really cute, and I'm very excited to see what different items are gonna look like on them. You know what I mean? Like, if you platypus, platypus, I got a platypus, blah 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 blah.